Alright, so in a regular 150 gon, what does that mean, regular? Well, it means that all the angles and all the sides are equal. They're all congruent. So an example of that would be like a square. Okay? So all the interior angles and all the exterior angles are equal to each other. So the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So we would just divide that by 4, and then each of those angles would be 90 degrees, which looks like it would be right. Correct? This one, there's no way I could draw this with accurately or even remotely accurately to have 150 sides. But I know that all of the exterior angles, the sum of all of those angles is always equal to 360 regardless of the number of sides. So I'm just going to take 360 degrees, right? That's the sum of all those angles, and divide it by 150. And so I will get 2.4 degrees, or 2 2/5 degrees for each angle. Okay? A long way to do that would be to find the internal angle and then subtract it from 180. But, that's not very efficient. Let's look at number 4. We're going to solve for y. Okay. So you might be tempted to think, you know what? Are those alternate interior angles? Well, they would be if these were parallel. But that's not the case. So let's go backwards and forget about that. Okay, they are not congruent, so I can't just set up an equation there. But what do I have here? Well, this is 90 degrees here. Okay, this would be 112 degrees because we've got a straight angle here. This is 2y. And this would be, these are supplementary, so this angle is 180 minus that adjacent angle. Adjacent meaning the angle joined to it, so y plus 48. Okay? And I only have one variable, so I can go ahead and I could solve just by setting up an equation here, right? So let's start with this angle here, so, and I'm going to put it in brackets here, so 180 minus y plus 48 degrees, right, plus 90 plus 112 plus 2y equals, and this is a quadrilateral, right, so the sum of the interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. Now let's just go start combining like terms. So 180 minus 48, that would be 132 minus y plus, if we combine these ones here, this is going to be 202 degrees plus 2y equals 360. Let's just keep combining. So we've got y plus 334 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. And I'm going to subtract 334, and I just end up with y equals 26 degrees. Pretty simple.